Hi there, this is Cindy from Simply Broken. In this video, I will show you how I made my own vendor wrap and pack station without spending a fortune. We all need something nice to keep handy with our bags, wrapping and boxes in when we are out at an event as a vendor. I will share in this video the 3 steps for creating this, the materials I used and the items it stores. I picked up this 12-gallon Sterilite tote to create a compact and organized wrapping station for market days. Step 2. There are a few parts to this step. Take your time and remember, you will be using this a lot. You want it as simple and as accessible as possible. Gather everything you need. This is a list of everything I have in mine. The most important item is the pizza box in my opinion. We'll see why later. This is how I set up the pizza box. Notice, the biggest bags are on the bottom of the pizza box. Smaller bags are on top of the bigger bags and they are offset. Put the bag handles towards the inside of the bag. You will pull bags out by their bottoms. To close the box lid to allow the bags to still be sticking out, you will have to cut part of the flap on the lid. This is after the cut is made, and as you can see, it closes all the way and allows the small bags to be pulled from the left side and the big bags to be pulled from the top. Finished pizza box into the tote with the small bags the left. Now put everything else inside the station. Put larger gift boxes on top of the pizza box laying flat. You can find them if you need them. Put smaller gift boxes leaning against back wall. Place the fan fold paper on top of the stack of boxes. It will be easy to pull sheets out, even with the lid on. Add other items you will need to the right side of the box. This is where I keep my scissors handy as well as my tape. You can see I used a small container for most of these items. Some of my care cards are there in the corner. This shows the completed station setup. Everything is accessible and you can easily tailor it to your needs. Your wrap and pack station is completed. This is how mine looks with the fan fold paper being dispensed while the lid is on. Love it. Test out your wrap and pack station at your next event. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up or a heart. Thanks.